everyone, this is Kelly from ZHONGTUO roll forming machine, and today I will introduce the lead guard steel Keel roll forming machine. It's for our Saudi Arabia client. This time ordered 5 such different machines. Okay, later I will show you one by one part. Okay, let me go to the decoiler. For this decoiler is economic type, but you can see this one is a manual type, not like the before, it's a hydraulic one. This one is also very helpful for this machine. You can see it with 4 leaves and can make the coils like a circle. It won't change the shape of the coils. Also, we add the side arms to keep the coils won't change the different direction here. Also, you can see we can adjust the diameter for these inner diameters. And the difference with the hydraulic decoilers, maybe this one cannot so automatic, but it's also very helpful for the client, suitable for this machine. Also, this one machine also with a brake. This one is a manual brake, can make the machine to stop feeding the coils. Okay, and this one is the manual decoiler. Later, I will show you the feeding part. And here you can see this is our feeding part. Not only for this machine, it's a very such small machine, but this machine with all the complete functions with other big machines. You can see for the feeding part, we have the feeding these 2 rollers and these 2 rollers and leveling to feeding this material. Here also can adjust the different widths. These wheels can adjust the different widths for the steel, for the coils. And you can see for this machine, this one is a gearbox transmission. Gearbox transmission can make the machine working very fast than some chain transmission. For this machine can reach the speed 45 meters per minute. So this one is very good for and very helpful for this machine to have a high speed. And you can see for this machine we adopt 9 row numbers to give a very good roll form machine for the finished products. And you can see for the rollers, it's very smooth, and the shaft with this one can adjust the different widths. Later, for this machine, the client only need 1 width, but later maybe the client want to change a different size. Also can adjust here. Here, the screws can adjust and change the different size. And you can see for this part, you will see it in many machines. This one is called a turkey head. What is the function of the turkey head? Because if we don't use the turkey head, the finished products will fit in here, will change the different shape. So we set here and with rollers here, it won't change the size of these finished products. So this one is the function for the turkey head. And for this part, this one is a stamp logo station. And you know, in this industry, many clients will want to have here his own logo on the finished products. This client same, and you can see here, this is the client logo. Use this punching station to do it. It's very good. And this one is the cutting system. When working, this punching station and this cutting station will work in same time, and so can make a very higher precision to give the finished products. And the client asks 1 finished product will need 3 logos, and we will have all this here. You can see 1, 2, 3 as finished products is as this. And you can see machine also with a very big power hydraulic pump station. This one. And the machine is small, but power is very big. Also, this time the Saudi Arabia client ordered totally 5 size machines, and with 2 wall angle machines, 2 size wall angle machines. And this one you can see, this one is a U channel. U channel. And for that machine, it's Omega. We call it Omega Keel machines. And the other one machine is W channel, W Keel machines. And use the different places, but it's same function for the light gauge steel keel machine. So for the Saudi Arabia client, if you have this inquiry, you can send it to us. And welcome to send inquiry to ZHONGTUO roll forming machinery. If you have any questions, you can leave the message. Thank you.